Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rochelle. For those of you who do not know me already, for those of you who have been subscribed, I really thank you for staying subscribed. And a few newcomers, even while I was not active, I'm so appreciative of that. I'm going to do my best to actually be consistent and not just disappear. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the new things I got for my home. There is also going to be another video coming up of fashion things that I got that's new. Today we're going to be talking about home goods. And so the first thing on the list is actually what's behind me here. I got this a while ago at Target. These are going to be kind of accumulated things that I kind of picked up a long time ago but just haven't been able to post about it, but your girl has been shopping. This is just a really beautiful vessel from Target. Again, I just put my dried flowers from A Floral into it, but I believe it's from the Studio McGee collection. Yes, it's a $30 vase. What does it say? Threshold designed with Studio McGee, so I guess it's some sort of collaboration with the two. I'm actually obsessed with it. At first I wasn't planning on putting the two together, and it wasn't originally going to be in my room. I had plans for it to be in the hallway with some branches inside of it, but I kind of was feeling like my room was feeling a bit flat with some white, and I did want to kind of go a little bit more warm. So I put this in my room, and it really does change everything, because if this was white on white, it would be a totally different look compared to how it is right now. I'm obsessed with the shape of it. I think this sort of shape is kind of really loved at the moment. I love the color. I love all the details. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show all these details, but there are all these speckled details, and then you can't touch it, of course. You can hear it's very gritty, and I don't know, I love it. I think it looks really pretty. So I have it sitting here at my desk, but typically actually I keep it on my table in my bedroom. Yeah, and it kind of just hangs out there. Alright, I wish I can remember exactly what it is I posted last time, because some things might overlap. But the next thing that I'm going to be showing you that I got, and this was a huge score and a heavy one at that, is the Architecture Digest book. Guys, I'm so excited about this. I was not expecting to find this. I decided to go to Home Goods with my mom. We like to do that quite a lot, just to kind of see what's out there, what do they have. And I found this, and if I'm not mistaken, I know that these can go for $100 sometimes. I know there's some cheaper ones, but honestly, when I look at the website, it's like an unknown website. But usually I see these for like $100 or very close to it. So I got this for $60, and I'm so excited. I'm so glad that I got it for a lower cost, because I definitely have been eyeing it. But you know, I don't know, $100 for a single book just seems a little bit, just a little bit extreme, even though I know very well I'd probably be the kind of person to get it anyways, and then everyone would judge me. But that's okay. Anyways, I got it for less, which is even better. So, as you can tell, if you couldn't guess already, we've got a bit of a color theme going on here. You can see my my preferred color scheme is definitely within the beige and the whites, a very neutral and soft and just beautifully subtle, soothing color palette. That is definitely my aesthetic. So yeah, it serves as a it's a coffee table book, I guess is what people call them, but it's on my table. I don't know what you call this table. I use it as a kind of like a cafe style table. I sit there and sometimes I drink my coffee, and sometimes I do my homework there if I want to watch the TV. Because it's in front of the TV. Yeah, so this sits on there, and then typically this vase actually sits on top of it, and usually I put my blue light glasses just because it looks kind of cute in front of it. And I am obsessed with it. I don't remember if I said how much that vase was. It was $30, by the way, guys. I'll do my best to link everything down below. No promises on if I can find you a sale on the Architectural Digest, but I will absolutely check. Alright, so the next item, I can't actually pick it up and show you because it is hung up on my wall, and it is an art print. I finally picked up some art for myself. I say picked up, I mean I ordered it online. I finally got some art for my room, and I've been eyeing this one. I actually had it in my home wish list for a while, and one thing I keep telling myself is just buy the stuff in your wish list. If I let it sit in my wish list, they always sell out, and then I get upset and I get disappointed because it's no longer available. Anyways, so this art print is from Desenio, and it is from Auguste Rodin, and it's the dancing figure painting, drawing. I'm not sure what media this is, but it is absolutely beautiful. Of course, I love the colors in it. It's a very beige, little hints of orange in it, kind of like a flesh-toned figure of a person dancing, of course, a dancing figure. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I also bought the frame because I didn't want just a regular art print. I wanted a frame with it. So I got a white frame, and it was actually really inexpensive. I think the entire thing all together, the print and the frame together, totaled up to somewhere around $83, somewhere in that area. Yeah, so I'll link down below the Desenio print that I got, and then as you're checking out, as you're adding to your cart, they give you the option to add a frame to that print and of that print size. I'm super obsessed with it. I'm so happy. I can't wait to have a bigger space so I can get more art prints because I'm so in love with it. So this next item is actually small enough for me to show it to you. So it is actually a cute little miniature lamp, and I have it sitting on my shelf right now. I know I mentioned that I bought the Kallax shelf. You'll probably hear about it in that video before you see this video. So go ahead and click on that video if you haven't gotten a chance to watch that. I'll leave it in the link down below. But I have this sitting on my Kallax shelf, and I bought it from this adorable shop, and I wish I knew the name. I cannot remember the name of it, but I think it's the Wilder shop. I will link it down below and probably put the words somewhere here because I, give credit where credit is due. It's such an adorable lamp. Now guys, I have to admit, I neglected to check the dimensions, and I thought that this was going to be a full-size lamp. So you can imagine how I was a bit surprised when I saw that I got this mini version of it that's like almost a little bit bigger than my head. It ended up being a pleasant surprise because I quickly realized this could work. It can fit right into the cubby, the cubicle, the cube, the shelf. It can fit into the shelf, the Kallax shelf. So it worked out. A mistake worked out, and guys, I'm obsessed with it. The reason why I chose it was this contrast here, this cream color. It's not fully white, it's like a cream, and it's like very warm. And I really like that warm, almost banana looking cream color against a black. And I really wish I could find a shoe like this, but I just love this contrast. The base is something different. I wouldn't have, I don't know, I wouldn't have expected to get like a lamp with this kind of wooden base, but I don't know, I think I really like it. I like that it has this natural wood tone. I have a few things that's natural wood tone, like my bed. So yeah, I think it's nice to kind of display some of the elements in your bedroom, and this just brings some texture. This just brings some texture and color. Guys, obsessed with it with me. Look at the shade. Look how it's like scalloped. Is that not the prettiest thing you've ever seen? I'm obsessed. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up everything that I got recently for my home, my bedroom really, homeware that I got for my bedroom. Follow me on Instagram to see these actually put away and integrated into the space. I really enjoy styling homes and doing interior design. It's definitely my second love. First love is fashion, of course. So yes, follow me on Instagram if you want to see these items around and more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.